What's good, Joe? It's BAU. Rock City High Boy Bam in his bed. How to make a beat episode, man, I don't know. I done did this an umpteenth time in my life. Plenty of times. It's gonna be a new episode, part 1, part 2. Got a nice beat. People saying that this is a beat right here. Getting good feedback from it. So I'm gonna let y'all hear it. Make sure y'all like and subscribe. I'm gonna break it down, get straight to it in part 2. I started off with like the drum, I think. I can't really remember, but I'll break it down song by song. Start off with the drum pattern. Then we're gonna get into like the piano and the bass, the 808s and stuff. Check. Niggas be worried about a drug, bro, kiss a bitch. Niggas be worried about the wrong motherfucking shit. Nigga better have my money flexing like a rich. Nigga, I've been working, swerving, don't get your ass hit. I'ma pull up in the whip, cause I got a stick. I'm with them hundreds, them 50s, 20s, and them 10s. Took them chucks off and put back on them Timbs. On the paper route, this shit gon' never end. Alright, so this the drum pattern right here. Coming with something flying, just, you know. Start off with like the kick drum and a snare, and just keep adding to it, you know. Hi-hats, different hi-hats, throw 2 hi-hats in there. Then throw some piano in there or something. Check it out. It don't have to be too perfect, you can edit it later. And then go back to that drum. You can work on the piano while you're playing the drum, that's good for timing. Then you can take this piano, you can take this pattern and put it on the 808 and lower the octave. So you hear them high sounds. You could bring those down an octave to go with your drum pattern, your 808s and stuff. Check this out. Matter of fact, y'all come back for part 3 and I'm gonna show y'all that. Make sure y'all like and subscribe.